Everyone wants to become a better person, correct? Whether me, whether you, any one of us. But this is the only path which is very tough one. To just call ourselves, yes, I am the best one. And not I am saying, the other also believe that you are the best one. So how to follow that path? That is obviously, it should be the purpose of anyone's life. So this I wanted to share a very beautiful story. Before that, there was a man actually, and he was around 40 years old. So he used to do whatever the best he could do for his family. Every day going to the office, coming early and spending some good times and all, and everything as a father, as a husband, as a son he was doing. Once what happened, because of due to this pandemic and all, he lost his job. After that, the same happy family converted into one of the frustrated family, all the time depression at home. Everyone was fighting togetherly and all, because he was not earning. He lost with his job also. And people started complaining, as a man, as a head of this family, what is he doing? And he was also unable to do what next. Why my people are not supporting? Why my family are not understanding? From where I should get the money for them? So all this tension was going around all the time. His mind was also speaking about that. Yes, right now you are failing. Right now nothing is happening with you. Your wife is not loving you. Your children are not loving you. Your parents are not loving you because you are not doing anything for them. With this depression and all, what happened? He left his family. And he just wandering here and there, just finding what I should do when my family and my people are not happy from me. Then one fine day he was sitting under the tree and he just found a small boy, a young boy. He came and he offered him like a bowl of rice, as he was feeling very hungry, so he could not say no to him. But he just grabbed that and he ate. After a few minutes, he just looked at that boy. He was bigger. And he offered him his food. And that time he realized, I did not look at that boy also when he was offering. And he did not think about his food also. And he found that I am sitting under the tree and I am not having anything. I was looking distressed, and he offered with wholeheartedly. That time he realized, where are we doing a mistake? He is also not having the family there. When he asked that boy, so he lost with many people. But he understood that world is very big. Your soul is very big. It should not become connected with only the few people, those are around you. Yes, you need to take care of your family. You have to think about your children. You have to think about your parents. Everyone has to do their duty. But it doesn't mean that when the tough time comes and we are unable to do anything, we should leave everything and we should criticize everything. No. That is the time. That time you have to show how much good you are. This is the time where you have to support the people around you. This is the only time where you have to show your positive nature. This is the time only you have to show the empathy towards the people around you. And if that time only you are fighting, you are feeling frustration, you are leaving the people, then how we become the excellent person in our life? So today, why I have brought this thing to you all as Christmas is coming. Why do we celebrate Christmas, children? If I ask to any one of you as my student, why do we celebrate? It doesn't mean that just going, having fun, go for the cake cutting and all. No, it's all about any festival, any such kind of occasion is the time where we have to understand how much you could do the service for the other. How many of you have planned, let me to go to the orphanage, let me to go to the road where I could feel that people are not celebrating. If you have 3 chapati, give 1 to the someone who is not having anything in that night. If you have 2 candles, put 1 at your home and 1 should be given to someone whose house is completely dark. This is called service. We born here, as many times I told to you all, we have to leave and no one will go with us. Our service to the society, what we are leaving behind us as a legacy, that only will be making you a better person. So here, to everyone I request, understand how to become the better person. That's very, very, very important. Okay, so please follow some things, some tips in your life. Have empathy. Understand the problem of the other person. Do the service for the people. Have politeness in your nature. Take action when the tough time comes. Be confident. Have positivity in your attitude and all. And accept the world with full of new things which is happening around you. All the time, situation won't be as per you. Sometimes ups, sometimes downs. But how many people are catching your hand? That is what you need to understand. Not only your family, society, your nation, this world. You need to connect with each and everyone. Then only this type of celebration make you the perfect or the best person. So do the service for the people. Those are in need and might be your helping hand will change their life. Because you are adding their value. You are adding their positivity. You are looking the world with a different angle where you are somehow creator in their life.